Happy birthday, dear Anu.
Hi, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Anu. Happy birthday to you. Many, 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 many more happy returns of the day, Anu. Stay blessed. Let God bless you with whatever you want. All your wishes come true. When I was supposed to make this video, I just got into our past childhood, and I really relished, and I don't mind reliving it once again. When I had that smile on my face, Vignesh asked me, "Ma, why are you smiling? What's so funny?" Then I told him few instances. I have so much to tell about you, but one or two instances I told him. You remember one more thing, we are celebrating 50th year of our long-standing friendship. Yes, 50 years, and time just flies. We've been friends for 50 long years, and we are the same right from the day one to this moment. And I pray God that we continue for another 50 more years, long standing friendship with the same attitude, with same love for each other and each other's family. Yeah, no, we should be celebrating this 50th year of our friendship, Golden Jubilee. So nice, no? When I met you, we both were so young. We started KG, and since then we have never looked back on our friendship. And when I have to tell you that you are just down to earth person, you are the wonderful human being I have ever met. It is not an exaggeration if I have to tell you, you are a God gift to me. Yeah, you are my gift. And I think this long-lasting friendship was because we are of the same attitude. We have received, we have accepted each other like what we are. We had no ego. Just travel back 50 years ago, and I think we just met and we liked each other, and since then we have never quarreled. We had no ego, we had just love for each other. We gave space to each other. We shared things, we laughed, we cried, we quarreled, but we never carried it along. Quarrel, I don't remember we have quarreled. Yeah, no, I remember. We have never. You're such a down-to-earth person, you understand people, you are a simple, living human being, and I love you for that. What else to say? I know if I have to talk about you, I can talk hours together. But anyways, I must thank Ravi for giving me this occasion to talk about you, because I have never expressed my love for you. I love you, dear. You are the best human being I have found in my life. And I think we had no social egos. We had no language barrier. We had no status, that could separate each other. We have accepted each other as we are. And I think we will continue to do so. And I love you, dear, for that. Anyway, coming back to your birthday, have a blast, have fun. Thanks to Ravi once again. He's a wonderful human being. You people are made for each other. He's so loving and caring. And you're little two handsome guys, Roshu and Rohit. I love you people. Love you all. Have a blast. Have a, what do you say? In fairy tales we say, king and the queen lived happily ever after. So I pray God that your family lives happily ever after. Have a wonderful birthday once again. Stay good, stay healthy. What else to say? Let all peace, prosperity be yours. May the best things happen in the world happen to you. And when I say fairy tale, I remember, I'm in some imagination in my thought. I should see you as a great grandmother having dentures and trying to blow candles on your birthday, and your dentures come out and Ravi, just goes in search of your dentures, and I want to see that video. So you have to celebrate many more years of your birthday to come. Have a blast. Love you.
உலகின்
முதல் மொழியாகிய தமிழ், தமிழின் முதல் எழுத்தாகிய ஆ, அந்த ஆவில் அனுபாமா என்று பெயர் எடுத்து பெயர்க்கேற்ற வடிவமும் தோற்றமும் அன்பும் அழகும் கொண்ட மங்கையே வணக்கம். நல்ல தாய் தந்தையருக்கு மகளாக பிறந்து அவர்களுக்கு செய்ய வேண்டிய கடமையை செவ்வனே செய்து நல்ல கன்னி என்று பெயர் எடுத்து தன் துணையை தானே கண்டெடுத்து கைப்பிடித்து இல்லறத்தில் நுழைந்து இல்லறத்து அரசி என்ற பொறுப்பேற்று அன்பும் மரணம் உடைத்தாய் நில் வாழ்க்கை பண்பும் பயணம் அது என்ற திருக்குறளுக்கு இணங்க இல்லறத்தில் அன்பும் மரணம் பண்பும் பாசத்தையும் நிலைநாட்டி கைப்பிடித்த கணவனை தினம் கொண்டாடி 2 நல்ல சிங்கங்களை பெற்றெடுத்து அவர்களை பேணி காத்து நல்ல மனிதர்களாக வளர்த்து இன்று வரை இல்லறத்தில் இறை பக்தியுடன் இனிதே வாழ்ந்து வரும் மங்கையே வணக்கம். தங்களின் பிறந்த நன்னாளில் என் மனமார்ந்த நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள் பல. எல்லா வல்ல இறைவன் உடைய நல் ஆசியுடன் இந்த உலகத்தில் உள்ள எல்லா இன்பங்களும் ஒருங்கிணைத்து உங்களுக்கு வந்து சேர நல்ல இன்பமும் நல்ல உடல் ஆரோக்கியமும் நீண்ட ஆயுளையும் பெற்று இனிதே வாழ்க என்று வாழ்த்துகிறேன். வளர்க உங்கள் புகழ் என்று போற்றுகிறேன். வணக்கம்.
Hi Anu, happy birthday. Nearly 40-45 years of our life we have spent as friends. Gives a great feeling. Time spent with you has always been fun, Anu. You have never missed inviting me for any occasions, whether it be birthdays, get-togethers, parties or any picnics. Thank you, Anu, for that. You are a very good friend of mine and very close to my heart. I wish you from the bottom of my heart that you get all that your heart desires. Have a great day, Anu, and a wonderful year ahead.
Hi Anupama madam, happy birthday, many happy returns of the day. May this birthday bring you abundant happiness and peace at home. May all your dreams turn into reality, and may the Lady Luck visit your house today. This year you'll have a special addition to your family which will bring in more luck to you and your family. Happy birthday to one of the sweetest persons within your family and your friend circle. Wishing you success throughout the year and all the best for the coming year, ma'am. Thank you. Good day. Bye-bye.
Hello. Radhi here.
Venkatesh here.
Rex here. Have a wonderful happy birthday. So grateful to you for your true friendship. Wishing you a year full of joy, happiness.
May God bless you with good health, wealth and peace.
My daughter Ramya
Enjoy
says-
your birthday. Have a wonderful time.
My daughter joins us in wishing you happy birthday, Anu.
Happy birthday.
Hi Anu ma'am, happy birthday to you. You're such a special day. Come 28th July, it's all festival for us. Oh, you're such a sweet person, adorable by one and all. You are a hardworking, yet you are a hard-tasking manager too. We are all proud of you. Special day for a special woman. You're exemplary woman. Happy birthday, Anu. Thank you.
Hi Anu, wish you a very happy birthday. May God bless you with sound health, wealth, prosperity, happiness and joyous life for all the years ahead. We have been friends for 32 years now, Anu. I'm so happy that once again we are spending time together for the past 2 years working in the same floor. I'm so happy for your achievements. You did your MBA, you did your BCom, MBA, and through your hard work and sincere efforts, you have come up very well in life. I'm very happy for you. Keep up the good work, enjoy your life, have a great celebration.
Wish you many happy returns of the day, Anupama. One special thing of you is you excel in all aspects. You scored 100 out of 100 in statistics. That speaks about your ability and confidence. As you sow, so you reap. As you are, so you are named. Anupama means incomparable, unequaled, excellence, outstanding, asamana. I wish you be as Anupama in your life. I wish you all the best. God bless you.
Many happy returns of the day. Enjoy your life every minute. Age is only a number. May God bless you with good health and happiness. Love you.
Hi Anu. Hope you're doing good. பிறந்த நாள் வாழ்த்துக்கள். இந்த நாள் போல எல்லா நாளும் உன் வாழ்க்கையில் ஒரு சிறப்பான சந்தோஷமான நாளாக அமையணும்னு என்னோட மனமார்ந்த வாழ்த்துக்கள். குடும்பத்தோட எங்கே இருந்தாலும் சந்தோஷமாக இருக்கணும். ஆல் தி வெரி பெஸ்ட்.
Good evening. A special message from Kamala for your birthday. Anu, we have been knowing each other since 30 years. You must be knowing that we both got married in the same year and we both couple met on the same place during our honeymoon, that is 30 years back. See where God has tied our friendship knot. You are such a wonderful person. You have been always a positive vibe person to our family, and you are a vacation exotica to our group, trip advisor, whatnot, ultimate entertainer. I wish you a very happy birthday. May God bless you with good health at this juncture of time. Only we need good health. So me and Selvaraj on behalf of Madhu and Nitish, we wish you a very happy birthday.
Hi Anupama, Janmadina Ashamsagal. May God bless you with good health to celebrate more birthdays. Have a joyous birthday. Stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you.
Hello, hi. Happy birthday to you. Many more happy returns of the day. Stay blessed. Enjoy the day. Bye. See you.
Hi, good morning. Wishing you a very happy birthday. Enjoy your day. God bless you.
Hi Anupama. Wish you many happy returns of the day. You are the same sweet Anupama, always smiling. Remain the same. May God bless you. You have a great day. Enjoy yourself. Stay safe. We love you. Bye. Happy birthday. Love you, love you, love you, love you.
பிரியமான தோழிக்கு இனிய பிறந்த நாள் வாழ்த்துக்கள் அனு.
Hi Anu, many happy returns of the day. Have a wonderful day at home. Enjoy with your family. Bye.
Hi Anupama. ಹುಟ್ಟುಹಬ್ಬದ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. वाढदिवसाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा अनु.
वाढदिवसाच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा means I wish you a very happy birthday, and I wish you good health and happiness and peace throughout the year. Be the same person as you are, and lively person, and spread the happiness as you are doing now. I wish you good luck and happiness. All the best. Keep going.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Anu. Happy birthday to you. Have a great day, Anu. I miss you all. Hope to see you soon.
Hi Anu, happy birthday to you. Have a nice day and a very wonderful year ahead. Whenever I remember you people like yourself and Ravindran and your family, always I like to come to your house for a New Year Eve. You host a real good party and dinner and keep everyone happy. still you people are having so much interest in doing all this. We used to do it before, like maybe 10 years before. Now we have lost interest in doing all this partying and all at home. But you still have so much of interest in inviting people home and doing party, hosting a nice dinner, having good time, spending a lot of time with people. Not many of them do this. Only yourself and Ravindran can, do this. People are full of energy and always, give importance to friendship. We are happy, myself and Suresh. We are happy to have you people as our friends. I don't have many friends.
Hi Anu, many happy returns of the day. May God bless you with best things in the life, and you enjoy more many such happy celebrations in future also. May you have all the success and the best things to your family. Have a beautiful evening with your family and friends. Enjoy the day.
Happy birthday, Anu Auntie.
Happy birthday, Anu Auntie. Thank you for always treating us like your own children.
Anu Auntie, you've always been very sweet and kind to us, for being so helpful and being so giving all the time. Thank you so much.
Have a great day, Auntie. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Anu. Wishing you a great year ahead and all the very best to you. Enjoy your day. Have great fun. Bye-bye.